Hey everyone! Are you tired of seeing the same virtual assistant and data entry job lists? Today we're talking about actual tech jobs you can do from home. Positions that pay well, have growth potential, and can launch you into an IT career. No degree is required for these. Job number 1, Help Desk IT Support Specialist. What you'll do: troubleshoot technical issues for employees or customers. Password resets, software problems, hardware issues, network connectivity. You're the first line of defense when something breaks. You'll need a reliable computer like a Windows PC, which is preferred for familiarity with corporate environments. An employer should provide this: high-speed internet with a minimum 25 Mbps, USB headset with noise cancellation. A second monitor is helpful, but not required. Total startup, $0 to $150 if you have a computer. Training: get your CompTIA A+ certification. It's the industry standard entry ticket. For self-study, I recommend the CompTIA A+ course bundle on Udemy by Jason Dion. It's usually under $20 when on sale and includes practice exams. The actual certification exam costs $250 per part, $500 total for both. You can also use Professor Mezer's free YouTube videos. Study takes 2 to 4 months. As of December 1st, 2025, the average salary for an entry-level IT help desk job in the United States is $53,642 per year, which breaks down to an hourly rate of $26. Where to find work: Robert Half Technology, Tech Systems, and direct applications to companies like Apple. Their at-home advisor makes $20 to $25 an hour. Job number 2, Junior Systems Administrator. What you'll do: maintain computer systems and servers, installing updates, monitoring system performance, managing user accounts, backing up data, and ensuring security protocols are followed. You'll need a computer with virtualization capability, 16 gigabytes RAM, minimum. High-speed internet. Home lab setup is helpful and can be done with free virtual machines. Consider building a home lab using VirtualBox to practice. It's free. Total startup, $0 to $200. To training: CompTIA A++, either CompTIA Network Plus or Linux Plus. For Network Plus, I recommend Mike Meyer's course on Udemy. It's comprehensive and includes lab simulations. For Linux, the Linux Mastery course on Udemy by Ziad Yahia is excellent for beginners. Study time is 4 to 8 months. Total certification cost, $750 to $1,000. According to Salary.com, an entry-level junior systems administrator makes $79,863 per year, which is $41.59 per hour in 2025. Where to find work: LinkedIn, Indeed, and Dice.com. Also check out company career pages. Many companies offer remote junior admin roles. Job number 3, QA Tester, Software Tester. What you'll do: test software and websites to find bugs before they go live. You'll document issues, verify fixes, and ensure products work as intended across different devices and scenarios. You'll need a reliable computer with multiple browsers installed, a mobile device for mobile testing, and screen recording software. OBS is free, but if you want something more user-friendly, CompTIA has a good learning curve. Also, high-speed internet. Total startup, $0 to $50. Training: no certification required to start, but ISTQB foundation level helps your resume. That costs $200 to $250. The Software Testing Masterclass on Udemy by Tarek Roshdi covers everything from manual to automation testing. It's a great starting point. Understanding basic SQL helps. The Complete SQL Bootcamp by Jose Portilla on Udemy is perfect for beginners. Learn testing methodologies through free resources like Test Automation University. Study time is 1 to 3 months. The pay range is wide, beginning at $31,000 to $130,000, with the median salary being $93,000 or $44.71 per hour. Where to find work: Rainforest QA, you'll test, and Testlio for freelance. Check out tech companies for full-time positions. Job number 4, technical writer. You'll create documentation for software, APIs, hardware, or IT processes. You're translating complex technical information into clear, usable content like user manuals, knowledge base articles, or API documentation. You'll need a reliable computer, high-speed internet, documentation tools like Confluence or Git, which is free to learn. Mechanical keyboards like the Keychron C1 are great for all-day typing. They can reduce fatigue. Prices are around $50 to $70. Total startup is 0. Training, no specific certification required. Strong writing skills plus technical curiosity. Learn basics of HTML and Markdown. The technical writing courses on Coursera by Google are completely free to audit or pay for a certificate. The API documentation course on Udemy by Peter Grunbaum is excellent if you want to specialize in API docs. This takes 2 to 4 months of self-study. The median salary for a technical writer is $80,050 according to careers.usnews.com. The top earners made $102,260 that year. Where to find work? Write the Docs job board, tech company, career pages, LinkedIn. This field is heavily remote. Job number 5, cybersecurity analyst entry level. You'll monitor security systems, analyze threats, respond to security incidents, and help protect company data. Entry-level roles focus on monitoring and documentation. You'll need a computer capable of running security tools and virtual machines, 16 gigabytes RAM minimum, high-speed internet, a free virtual home lab for practice. Raspberry Pi for security projects is optional and costs $50 to $80. Total startup, $0 to $300. Training. CompTIA Security Plus is your entry point. The exam costs $400. Jason Dion's Security Plus course on Udemy is the gold standard. It includes practice exams that mirror the real thing. Consider following up with CCNA Plus or ethical hacking courses. TryHackMe and HackTheBox offer free practice environments. TryHackMe Premium is worth it at $14 per month. Study time is 3 to 6 months. For deeper learning, consider the cybersecurity specialization on Coursera by University of Maryland. ZipRecruiter reports a salary range depending on the state you're in. The highest salary is in Washington State at $150,592 per year, $72.40 per hour. The lowest salary is in Florida with the highest salary being $99,361, which is $47.77 per hour. Where to find work? CyberSeek Job Matcher. LinkedIn, government contractor positions. Job number 6, Salesforce Administrator. You'll manage and configure Salesforce CRM for companies. You'll create custom fields, automate workflows, manage user permissions, generate reports, and train users. You'll need a reliable computer, high-speed internet, the free developer edition of a Salesforce account. Dual monitors really help here. It's easier to follow tutorials while practicing. Total startup, 0. Salesforce offers free training through Trailhead, Salesforce's gamified learning platform. Seriously, start there. For structured learning, the Salesforce Administrator certification course on Udemy by Mike Wheeler is excellent prep. Earn the Salesforce Administrator certification $200 exam plus $100 maintenance. This is one of the best ROI certifications out there. Study time is 3 to 6 months. According to Glassdoor, Salesforce admins with up to 1 year of experience make a median salary of $83,000 per year, with the range running from $67,000 to $103,000 per year. Where to find work? Salesforce Talent Alliance and LinkedIn. Companies of all sizes use Salesforce. There is huge demand for these skills. Job number 7, network support. You'll troubleshoot network connectivity issues, configure routers and switches, monitor network performance, and support VPN access for remote workers. You'll need a reliable computer and high-speed internet. And for hands-on practice, get a cheap router and switch from Amazon. Netgear and TP-Link have good budget options. Home networking equipment for practice is optional and costs $100 to $200. You'll also need Packet Tracer software, which comes as a free download from Cisco. Total startup $0 to $200. Training is CompTIA Network Plus with a $350 exam or Cisco CCNA with a $300 exam. For Network Plus, Mike Myers has the best Udemy course. It's super engaging and thorough. Professor Messer also has free Network Plus videos on YouTube. CCNA is more prestigious, but harder. For CCNA, Neil Anderson's course on Udemy is comprehensive and well-structured. Study time is 3 to 6 months. As of December 1, 2025, the average salary for a network support specialist in the United States is $81,458 per year, which breaks down to an hourly rate of $39 per hour. Entry level, $64,404 or $30.96 per hour. Where to find work? MSPs, managed service providers, ISPs, large corporations with distributed teams. Job number 8. Database Administrator Junior. You'll maintain databases, perform backups, monitor performance, manage user access, and ensure data integrity. Entry-level roles focus on routine maintenance and support. You'll need a computer with decent specs, 8 GB RAM minimum, high-speed internet, an optional external hard drive for practice, backups costing $50 to $80 for 1 terabyte, database software such as MySQL or PostgreSQL. Both are free. Total startup, $0 to $50. Training, learn SQL first. The Complete SQL Bootcamp by Jose Portilla on Udemy is perfect for beginners. For database administration specifically, Database Design and Management on Coursera by University of Colorado covers the fundamentals. Consider Microsoft Azure Database Administrator or Oracle Database certifications priced at $125 to $300. The Oracle DBA 11 grams 1-2C course on Udemy is comprehensive. Many start with free SQL courses and build from there. Study time is 3 to 6 months. Pay range is $52,331 to $75,448, with a median pay of $72,200 or $34.71 per hour. Where to find work? LinkedIn, Indeed, and tech company job boards. Database skills are in constant demand. Job number 9. IT Project Coordinator. You'll support IT project managers by scheduling meetings, tracking deliverables, updating documentation, coordinating between teams, and keeping projects on track. You'll need a computer, high-speed internet, project management tools like Jira, Asuna, or Monday. There are free versions to learn. A large monitor or dual setup really helps when juggling multiple tools. Total startup, $0. There is no certification required to start, but Google Project Management Certificate from Coursera, costing $49 per month for 3 to 6 months, or CompTIA Project Plus, costing $350. Add credibility. Learn Agile Scrum methodology through free resources. Pay range is $28,500 to $75,500 salary, with a median yearly salary of $48,731, or $23.43 per hour. Where to find work? Tech companies, consulting firms, LinkedIn. This is a great stepping stone into project management. Job number 10. Cloud Support Specialist. You'll help customers troubleshoot cloud services like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, handling technical support tickets, explaining cloud concepts, and resolving configuration issues. You'll need a computer with at least 8 GB RAM, high-speed internet, free tier cloud accounts with AWS, Azure, and GCP. They all offer free tiers. A notebook or a digital note-taking app. Total startup, $0. Training, AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner with a $100 exam or Microsoft Azure Fundamentals with a $99 exam. Both have extensive free training materials. This certification opens doors to higher-paying cloud roles. Study time is 2 to 4 months. As of December 1st, 2025, the average salary for a cloud support specialist in the United States is $51,219 per year, which breaks down to an hourly rate of $25. Entry-level pay is $34,307, an hourly rate of $16.49. Where to find work? Amazon, Microsoft, and Google directly hire cloud support. Also, MSPs and consulting firms. Bonus: Web Accessibility Specialist. You'll ensure websites and applications are usable by people with disabilities by conducting audits, testing with assistive technologies, and providing remediation guidance. You'll need a computer, high-speed internet, screen reader software. NVDA is free for Windows, and VoiceOver is built into Macs. Browser extensions for testing. Dev tools like Wave and Axe are free. You'll need multiple browsers installed. Total startup, $0. Training. IAAP Web Accessibility Specialist certification is $395. For prep, the Web Accessibility course on Udemy by Marcy Sutton Todd covers practical application. Coursera's accessibility courses are also solid. Learn WCAG guidelines through free W3C resources. This is a growing field with limited talent. Study time, 3 to 6 months. As of December 1st, 2025, the average salary for a web accessibility consultant in the United States is $72,186 per year, which is an hourly rate of $35. Entry level is around $57,776 or $27.77 per hour. Find work with accessibility consulting firms, large corporations, government contractors. This is increasingly required by law. Here's the truth. These tech jobs pay better than traditional remote work, offer actual career progression, and companies are desperate to fill them. Yes, you'll need to invest time in learning and maybe $100 to $500 in certifications. But compare that to a 4-year degree. Pick one that interests you. Start with the free learning resources and build as you go. Help Desk with a Plus certification is your easiest entry point. QA testing requires no certifications at all. Salesforce Admin has completely free training. The tech industry still values skills over degrees. Show you can do the work and you're in. Drop a comment with which role interests you most. Or if you're already in IT, tell us how you broke in. Hit subscribe for more career content that actually helps. Good luck out there. This is Futurecraft Academy. Thanks for watching.